So as you can see, there's that direct connection to Sisters of Mercy, being focused on the earth, our core values, integrity, you name it. And so many of the events
Hey Griffins, welcome back to DigCom Crew, the student-produced media from the Digital Communications program. Today, we will be covering what the FYE program is and how Integrate for Good is an FYE-approved event, with insights from Kim Cooney, the director of the First Year Experience program here at GMercyU, and Ariana Amaya, the director of the Integrated Studies program here at GMercyU.
So the FYE courses are what our first-year students take as a part of the general education curriculum. The fall semester course is really that true transition from high school to college seminar, where we focus on topics like academic success skills, time management, study skills, motivation. In the spring, students continue with the FYE program with a service learning course. And so they are all themed based. Example themes would be anti-racism, earth and sustainability, women. So you'll see it's connected to Gwyneth's mission, critical concerns, or core values. And so students choose a theme. We spend some time discussing that theme. We all participate in a service experience together, and then we reflect on what we learned, how it's changed us, and what we're going to do moving forward.
Ariana Amaya has had the title of Program Coordinator of Integrated Studies since its start in the spring of 2020.
I have developed and I oversee the Integrated Studies program, which is our non-degree certificate program for students with intellectual disability.
The Integrated Studies program strives to create a community that cultivates self-determination, service, self-efficiency, and lifelong learning. These goals are constantly met because they consistently hold events such as Integrate for Good, which is also an FYE-approved event.
Integrate for Good is an organization that is focused on creating meaningful volunteer projects and placing people with disabilities in leadership roles. And the project that's on campus, which is actually called Opening Doors on Campus, a kind of rotating service project, but primarily it is a sleeping mat weaving project, which involves weaving mats for people experiencing homelessness out of plastic bags that have been donated or recycled.
And so as a part of the FYE curriculum, students are required to attend what we would call a co-curricular event. And so really there has to be some type of connection to the FYE content, right? The learning aspect of it. The event also has to be connected to the mission of Gwyneth, the Sisters of Mercy, critical concerns, or the university theme. Through review and partnerships with other people on campus, I try to learn about as many events as I can and then deem it FYE approved, if you will. And so that's why Integrate for Good is a possible and has been actually this whole semester with their weekly Wednesday service. They're weaving plastic bags into mats for our homeless population. So as you can see, there's that direct connection to Sisters of Mercy, being focused on the earth, our core values, integrity, you name it.
FYE courses are required for all first-year students, but it is extremely beneficial for them as they are encouraged to attend events where they can meet new people and discover more things about the campus. The Integrate for Good event is just one small example of how GMercyU students come together as one. And that's a wrap for this edition of DigCom Crew, the student-produced media from the Digital Communications program. Check back soon for another edition.